She takes vitamins. She takes vitamins. I try to stay positive. I try to stay positive. I wash my hands often. I wash my hands often. I don't eat too much sugar. I don't eat too much sugar. I try to avoid stress. I try to avoid stress. I get regular checkups. I get regular checkups. I talk to my friends when I'm sad. I talk to my friends when I'm sad. I write in my journal every night. I write in my journal every night. I listen to music to relax. I listen to music to relax. She practices deep breathing. She practices deep breathing. He sees a therapist. He sees a therapist. I try to stay calm. I try to stay calm. I take time for myself. I take time for myself. I read books to feel better. I read books to feel better. I try to think positive thoughts. I try to think positive thoughts. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I accept my feelings. I accept my feelings. I'm learning to love myself. I'm learning to love myself. I feel sick. I feel sick. Do you have a cold? Do you have a cold? He has a sore throat. He has a sore throat. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. She is sneezing a lot. She is sneezing a lot. My back hurts. My back hurts. I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. He caught the flu. He caught the flu. I'm going to the hospital. I'm going to the hospital. She is taking medicine. She is taking medicine. He feels better now. He feels better now. I have a cough. I have a cough. You should rest. You should rest. Drink more water.
Drink more water. I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. My eyes hurt. My eyes hurt. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I'm not okay today. I'm not okay today. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. I am tired and sleepy. I am tired and sleepy. I feel a little down. I feel a little down. I feel great after the walk. I feel great after the walk. I'm too weak to work. I'm too weak to work. I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling much better. I feel terrible. I feel terrible. I'm full of stress. I'm full of stress. I feel pain in my leg. I feel pain in my leg. I'm emotionally tired. I'm emotionally tired. I feel fresh in the morning. I feel fresh in the morning. My heart is beating fast. My heart is beating fast. I feel calm after yoga. I feel calm after yoga. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. I feel hot. I feel hot. I'm not in the mood to talk. I'm not in the mood to talk. I'm in pain. I'm in pain.
I eat fruits every day. I eat fruits every day. He goes jogging every morning. He goes jogging every morning. I sleep early every night. I sleep early every night. I don't smoke. I don't smoke. I eat vegetables. I eat vegetables. She avoids junk food. She avoids junk food. I go to the gym. I go to the gym.
I feel happy today. I feel happy today. She is very sad. She is very sad. He looks tired. He looks tired. Are you angry? Are you angry? I'm excited about the trip. I'm excited about the trip. She feels nervous before the exam. She feels nervous before the exam. He is worried about his job. He is worried about his job. I am relaxed now. I am relaxed now. She is shy in front of new people. She is shy in front of new people. He is in a good mood. He is in a good mood. I'm scared of spiders. I'm scared of spiders. I feel lonely sometimes. I feel lonely sometimes. She feels confident. She feels confident. Are you surprised? Are you surprised? I'm very calm today. I'm very calm today. He feels sick. He feels sick. She is full of energy. She is full of energy. I'm bored at home. I'm bored at home. He is jealous of his brother. He is jealous of his brother. I feel strong and motivated. I feel strong and motivated. I have a headache. I have a headache. She has a fever. She has a fever.